how to change server in Bloodstrike. So if you want to change server in your Bloodstrike, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply go with settings, which will be in the top right. Once you click on settings, you can go with account and notice section. And then if you get this kind of interface, then just simply go and adjust your settings or turn on the notifications. Once you've done, you'll get this kind of interface. You will have your server right here. So in my case, I have Asia. So if you want to change this, then you can just simply go with the microphone section, which will be in the top right. You'll get this kind of interface where you'll have the server transfer option and proceed with the following steps, and you'll be able to change your server. Or the another way of doing is just by logging out. Right here, you will have the log out option. You need to just simply click on log out and then go with OK. After logging out of your device, add in a new account. Then at the new account, add in or change your server there. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.